Welcome back to my channel Tech Know-How. Today, we're going to show you how to supercharge your computer skills and save valuable time using keyboard shortcuts. Whether you're on Linux, Windows, or Mac OS, these shortcuts are universal. Our focus today is on one particular shortcut, Ctrl+Tab for Linux and Windows, and Command+Tab for Mac OS. These shortcuts are incredibly handy for navigating between open applications and speeding up your workflow.
If you're a Windows or Linux user, Ctrl+Tab is your best friend when it comes to navigating between open applications. It's like flipping through a stack of cards with ease. Simply press Ctrl+Tab, and you'll cycle through your open applications, release Control when you find the one you want, and it becomes active. It's perfect for multitasking. Now, let's talk about how these shortcuts work in your favorite web browsers like Google Chrome, Brave, Mozilla Firefox, and Microsoft Edge. In web browsers, Ctrl+Tab allows you to switch between your open tabs effortlessly. Press Ctrl+Tab, and you'll see a visual preview of your open tabs. Keep holding Ctrl and press Tab to cycle through them. Release Control, and the selected tab opens. It's a real-time saver when you have multiple tabs open for research, work, or leisure. But what if you're a Mac user? Don't worry. We've got you covered with Command+Tab. And for our Mac users who love Safari, don't forget Command plus Option plus left arrow to switch to the previous tab and Command plus Option plus right arrow to switch to the next tab.
Now, let's head over to Microsoft Office, where Ctrl+Tab works wonders in applications like Excel and Word. In these applications, Ctrl+Tab allows you to switch between open workbooks or documents with ease. Press Ctrl+Tab and you'll cycle through your open documents. Release Control when you find the one you want to work on. It's a fantastic way to stay organized and productive. Are you a coder or writer? Well, Ctrl+Tab is your creative partner in text editors and IDEs like Notepad, Notepad++, Visual Studio Code, and Sublime Text. In these environments, Ctrl+Tab lets you navigate between open files seamlessly. Press Ctrl+Tab and you'll switch between your open files. Release Ctrl when you're ready to focus on your code or text. It's an absolute game changer for productivity. So there you have it, folks. A world of productivity at your fingertips with Ctrl+Tab for Windows and Linux, Command+Tab for Mac OS, and their various uses across web browsers, Microsoft Office, and text editors. Start incorporating these shortcuts into your daily routine, and you'll be amazed at how much time and effort you save. That's all for today's video. If you found this tip helpful, please hit the like button, subscribe to our channel, and share this video with your friends. Remember, mastering these keyboard shortcuts is the key to becoming a productivity ninja.